Let me tell you about Oumuamua, a true cosmic mystery that has fascinated scientists and stargazers alike. This is not just another rock drifting through the void. It's a story that begins far beyond our solar system in the vast uncharted reaches of interstellar space. In 2017, astronomers spotted something truly bizarre. An object that didn't fit any known category. It wasn't a comet, nor was it an asteroid. It was the first confirmed visitor from another star system. A messenger from the unknown. They named it Oumuamua, which means scout or messenger in Hawaiian. A fitting title for such a mysterious traveler. Its shape was unlike anything we'd seen before. Not round or lumpy, but long and thin like a giant cosmic cigar. Imagine something 10 times longer than it is wide, spinning end over end as it hurtled through space. Stranger still, as it passed the sun, it began to accelerate, speeding up in a way that defied expectations. Yet there was no visible tail, no cloud of gas or dust that usually signals a comet's presence. No gas, no dust, just a silent, inexplicable push, as if some invisible hand was nudging it along. The laws of physics seemed to be playing tricks on us. Scientists were baffled. Was it a natural object shaped by unknown cosmic forces? Or could it be something else entirely? Something artificial perhaps? Harvard's Avi Loeb even suggested a bold idea. What if Oumuamua was alien technology? Maybe a light sail, a probe sent by an advanced civilization, or even ancient space junk drifting for eons. The world went wild with speculation. News outlets, scientists, and the public all weighed in. Each theory more fantastic than the last. Social media buzzed with excitement and debate. But just as quickly as it appeared, Oumuamua slipped away, vanishing into the darkness of interstellar space. It left us with more questions than answers. A fleeting glimpse of something truly extraordinary. It became a legend almost overnight. A symbol of the unknown, a real-life science fiction mystery that captured our collective imagination. For years, it was just a ghost story, a cosmic what-if whispered among astronomers and dreamers. The observatories that once tracked it now sat silent, waiting for the next anomaly. The universe had thrown us a curveball, a tantalizing clue that we are not alone in the cosmos, or at least that the universe is far stranger than we ever imagined. We were left wondering if we'd ever get another shot at the truth, or if this mystery would remain unsolved forever. The story seemed over, or so we thought. But in the vastness of space, who knows what other secrets are waiting to be discovered. July 4, 2025, Independence Day. The night sky is alive with celebration, but beneath the fireworks, something far more extraordinary is unfolding. And then the impossible happens. Oumuamua is back. Headlines explode across the globe from New York to Tokyo as the world tries to process the unthinkable. Every screen flashes the same news. An object that should have vanished into the void forever is now returning. People stop in their tracks, transfixed by the revelation. Astronomers at Halakala spot it again, but this time it's slowing down and turning back toward us. Chaos erupts. Markets crash. The world's attention is instantly riveted. The world stops to watch. Streets empty as families, friends, and strangers gather around screens, united by curiosity and fear. This isn't just another rock. This is the rock. The one that might be alien. The one that sparked endless debate and wild theories years ago. It's defying physics. Making a U-turn in deep space. That takes energy. That takes intent. Speculation runs wild. Scientists and dreamers alike wonder if this is a message, a maneuver, or a warning. Is it a rescue mission, the main ship, or something else entirely? Theories multiply from the hopeful to the terrifying. Every telescope on Earth and in orbit is pointed at it. Radio dishes scan for signals. Satellites adjust their gaze, and even amateur astronomers join the search. For the first time in ages, humanity is united by a single electrifying question. What does it want? Borders and differences fade as everyone looks up, searching for answers. The return feels different, personal even. It's as if the universe itself has chosen this moment to reach out to us. We're not just observers anymore. We're participants. The world's best minds scramble to decode the mystery. While ordinary people wonder what comes next, the universe just knocked on our door, and this time it's waiting for an answer. The sense of anticipation is electric, almost overwhelming. Reality has officially outpaced fiction. The stories we once imagined are now playing out before our eyes, and no one knows how this chapter will end. The world holds its breath. The scout has returned. And as dawn breaks, humanity stands together, waiting for whatever comes next. Just as the world reels from Oumuamua's return, SETI picks up a signal. It's faint but unmistakable, coming straight from the object. Not random noise but a structured repeating pattern, artificial. The signal is a complex sequence of pulses, prime numbers, Fibonacci patterns layered in a mathematical handshake. It's proof of intelligence broadcast in the universal language of numbers. Scientists scramble to rule out every natural explanation. They can't. The signal grows stronger as Oumuamua approaches. Suddenly, the world is obsessed. Every agency, every amateur is listening in. The signal becomes the soundtrack of a new era. We're not just looking at the stars anymore. The stars are talking back. The only question, what is it trying to say? The silence of the cosmos is broken and humanity is listening. The race to decode the message begins. Around the world, teams of scientists, engineers, and visionaries drop everything to focus on this one electrifying mystery. The air is thick with anticipation and urgency. Cryptographers, linguists, AI, everyone's on it. The brightest minds from every discipline are collaborating, sharing theories, and running simulations. Supercomputers hum as they crunch data, searching for patterns and meaning. The first layer is math, a Rosetta Stone for contact. Universal truths, prime numbers, geometric shapes, constants form the foundation, a language that transcends worlds. Then, a visual and intricate 3D blueprint of a starship engine using physics we barely understand. It hints at technology that manipulates space-time itself, opening doors to possibilities we've only dreamed of. But deeper still, there's a story, a civilization's history, art, and decline. Their achievements, their culture, their struggles, all encoded in a tapestry of images and sounds. Their star died, their planet failed, and they sent out an ark, a library of their culture, science, and memory. It's a desperate act of hope, a way to outlast extinction. Oumuamua isn't a scout. It's a message in a bottle, drifting through the cosmos, searching for someone, anyone who might listen. The final part is a simple, haunting plea. Did you get this? Is anyone there? You are not alone. It's a voice reaching across the void, hoping for an answer. It's not a threat or an invasion. There's no demand, no ultimatum, just a longing to be remembered, to be understood. It's a civilization's last echo, asking not to be forgotten. The world is stunned, united in awe and empathy as the message spreads across every continent. We're not alone. We're the recipients of a cosmic legacy entrusted with the memories and dreams of a lost world. The message is profound, heartbreaking, and clear. Help us remember. It's a call to compassion, to connection, to honor what came before. It's the most important message humanity has ever received. News outlets scramble to cover every detail, and the world holds its breath. Not a warning but a request for connection, an invitation to join a greater story, to become part of something vast and timeless. The universe just handed us its memory. We are now the keepers of a legacy that stretches beyond our own planet. What will we do with it? The next chapter is ours to write. Even with a message, the debate rages. Believers say it's case closed. Alien contact undeniable. Skeptics push back. Could it be a natural phenomenon? A hoax? A cosmic coincidence? Some argue for quantum weirdness or a global hack. The world is split. Extraordinary claims demand extraordinary evidence. We have blueprints, a signal, a returning object, but no close-up photo, no landing. Is it enough? The burden of proof is immense. Science demands skepticism, but the evidence is staggering. Are we seeing what we want to see? Or is this the real deal? The debate is everywhere. News, podcasts, journals. Humanity stands at the edge of belief and doubt. The truth is out there, but are we ready to accept it? To understand the impact, listen to the voices. Dr. Aries Thorne, astrobiologist, this is a paradigm shift. We're not just searching for life. We're handed a civilization's library. Dr. Lena Petrova, physicist, the signal is compelling, but we need testable, repeatable evidence. Science, not faith. Frank, truck driver, I look at the stars and wonder. Now I know. Or maybe I do. Makes our problems seem small. Sarah, mother, it's terrifying. Is this a gift or a warning? What kind of world will my kids inherit? The world is odd, divided, and anxious. Some see hope, others fear. The message forces us to confront our place in the universe. Are we ready for this responsibility? The conversation isn't just for scientists. It's for everyone. The unknown unites and unsettles us. We're all part of the story now. The weight of the cosmos is on our shoulders. The question isn't just what's out there, but who we are facing it. The world has changed forever and the real work is just beginning. Now comes the hardest question. Do we respond? World leaders debate. The UN is in crisis mode. Do we welcome them or stay silent and hope we're ignored? Some say this is a peaceful offering, a library not a threat. Accepting could leapfrog our evolution, solve problems, unite us. Others warn of the dark forest. Stay quiet. Don't attract predators. Responding could reveal our location to unknown dangers. It's a cosmic gamble, reward or risk. The decision reflects who we are. Explorers or hiders, curious or fearful. The object is a mirror, forcing us to choose our future. Do we open Pandora's box or leave it shut? The clock is ticking. The universe is waiting for our answer. Here we are on the edge of a new reality. Oumuamua's return and its message have shattered our old worldview. Are we alone? No, we never were. Human history, religion, and conflict all reframed. We're part of a cosmic story, custodians of a lost civilization's legacy. The future is uncertain. Utopia or disaster, unity or division, we must decide, preserve this knowledge, learn, and carry their memory forward. Maybe that's our purpose. To witness, remember, and keep the torch burning. This isn't just about Oumuamua. It's about us. The silence is broken. The universe has stories to tell. We've read the first chapter. Are we ready for the next? The invitation is here. Wild times, man. Wild times.